Why being strong is destroying you, especially if you're the responsible one. Have you noticed that the strongest people are usually the most exhausted? You're the one people lean on, the calm one, the capable one. You don't fall apart, you hold it together, and nobody notices what that costs you. Strength becomes dangerous when it turns into erasing yourself. Your nervous system learned early, I survive by not needing, so you don't ask for help. You minimize your pain, you carry what others drop. Being strong kept you safe once, but now it's keeping you invisible. And unacknowledged pain doesn't disappear. It shows up as burnout, depression, resentment, or numbness. Real strength is letting yourself be seen before you break. It's learning that rest isn't weakness, it's repair. You were never meant to carry everyone, and you don't have to earn rest by collapsing first. The moment you realize you're not angry, you're grieving. Most anger isn't anger, it's grief with nowhere to go. People affected by addiction or family trauma can often be labeled as angry, but what they're really feeling is loss. The parent they never had, the partner they hoped would change, the life they dreamed would look different. Grief that isn't acknowledged turns into irritability, control, criticism, or rage. Because grief needs permission, and anger is the only emotion that feels allowed. When you stop asking, "Why am I so angry?" and start asking, "What did I lose?" everything softens. You're not broken. You're grieving something real. And grief doesn't mean weakness, it means you loved, hoped, and cared deeply.